How?
Which one? Is it going that side? So it's 2, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah.
2, 4, 5, 6. 6, 6. Is it 6, 6?
No, it's 4.
4, 6.
Yeah.
Oh.
He's winning.
Sure, Jay. Argentina.
Yes.
Finally.
You start.
Now it's 5. Okay.
I don't have a ball.
You don't have?
Let's see who's winning.
Argentina is winning.
Who's hitting it right?
Argentina is winning.
Oh.
It's still Argentina winning. Still winning.
You got it right.
Chiefs yajiwa hleng. Finally. It's 6-6 now. Yo. Six, 7. It's 6-7. 7-7. Yeah, 7-7.
He's coming. He's coming.
Oh, 8-7. Jake, Argentina, you're behind. Argentina are behind now. 8-8. Okay, now we have two left. 2 trials left. Hey, Chiefs are Roger Jake this time. Joaquin Chiefs Argentina. Eish. Eish. We have only one chance. Hi, Chiefs are winner, guys. Chiefs are winner. No, Jake.
That's for me.
Jake, no. You're cheating. But we need to know the winner.
I won.
Thank you.
Chiefs won.